Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Healthy Petz Collagen, a pet supplement circulating on social media claiming to boost your dog's joints, coat, and mobility. With the pet supplement industry full of questionable products, is this legit or just another Facebook drop? Let's investigate. Here's the critical problem. Independent investigators who analyzed Healthy Petz Collagen found major red flags. Healthy Petz Collagen only ticks the first one halfway, the rest aren't convincing. A company selling health products for animals should at least have working customer service. The lack of transparency and the almost invisible online presence puts this product in an uncertain category. Here's what's missing. The company provides zero transparency about who formulated the collagen, what quality standards ensure safety, where is it manufactured, what's the actual collagen source and purity, and independent testing results. Legitimate pet supplement companies like Thornvet, Pets, or Zesty Paws openly share this information. Healthy Petz is silent. The science of pet collagen. Collagen can help pets. There is research showing it supports cartilage and joint health. However, the quality of collagen, dosage, and manufacturing standards all matter. That's where Healthy Pets fall short. The idea is valid, but there's no evidence this specific brand delivers a safe, effective formula. What real pet collagen should offer? Established brands provide third-party lab testing like consumer lab verification, clear ingredient sourcing like grass-fed bovine, wild-caught marine, veterinary formulation with research backing, transparent company information with customer service, verified customer reviews on independent platforms, and money-back guarantees with responsive support. Health Pets offers none of this. Here's an expert recommendation. If you're thinking about trying Healthy Pets Collagen, I'd recommend pausing it for now. The product might have potential, but there isn't enough reliable information or customer experiences to justify the purchase, especially for something your dog will ingest daily. If you want proven pet collagen, consider Thornvet Collagen Vet at $40 to $50 with medical grade quality and third-party tested. You can also try Petz Collagen Plus at $35 to $45 with no fillers and sustainably sourced with vet-created formula. You can also try Zesty Paws Multi-Collagen Bites for $25 to $35, which has a bovine and marine collagen duo, hyaluronic acid for joints, and a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. Before giving your pet any supplement, verify the company transparency with third-party testing, veterinary endorsement, customer service, and independent reviews. Healthy Pets fails most of these basic trust markers. The final verdict: Healthy Petz Collagen has insufficient evidence of legitimacy. With zero transparency, no independent reviews, and missing customer service, this doesn't meet basic standards for pet supplements. For your dog's joint health, invest in Thornvet, Pets, or Zesty Paws, brands with transparent formulations, veterinary backing, and thousands of verified reviews. Your pet deserves proven quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.